Hi, in front of me is LGQS, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and click I accept. Now you are able to customize your wallpaper however you wish to. And when you're done, click at the top right corner. Now button one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply at the bottom right corner over here. And if you want to apply it on lock screen as well, click on Set on lock screen over here and just set. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!